Welcome back to Lori Can Do. Today we're gonna fix my manual garage. Alright, let's get to it. You will need an adjustable wrench and a stepladder if you're short like me. One day we noticed our garage wouldn't open and we found out why. After assessing the situation, we realized that one of the wheels were missing off the track, so I found it and put it back on the track for this demonstration. The easiest way to put it back together is to take that piece off and thread the wheel back onto it and putting the piece back on. It is secured by 2 carriage screws and 2 lock nuts, so you have to use your adjustable wrench to loosen them and remove them. To loosen, always turn counterclockwise. This is what the lock nut and the carriage screw looks like. Once that piece is detached, you can thread it into the wheel and then pull it back down to where that is attached to the garage door and secure it back. In order to tighten, turn the lock nut clockwise. Repeat the process to the other side. Use the adjustable wrench to tighten them. And then test it out. If it doesn't work the first time like mine did, you might have to push that piece closer to the wheel more. Good job, you did it! Yes! Thank you for watching! If you found this video helpful, please click thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time!